Managing clients, deadlines, and documents can be a major operational burden for accounting professionals, especially during peak tax season. In an increasingly digital world, clients expect faster service, seamless communication, and secure access to their financial documents. Enter Canopy, a powerful cloud-based practice management platform tailored specifically for accountants and tax professionals. Canopy centralizes everything your firm needs to stay on top of client work, from document storage and secure messaging to time tracking, billing, and workflow automation. It offers a polished client experience while giving your team the tools to work smarter, not harder. In this video, we'll walk through Canopy's core features, explain how they solve common accounting challenges, and help you set up a productive, tech-driven client management system. So for its key features and benefits, first is the Client Management Hub. At the heart of Canopy is a dynamic client database. Each client has a dedicated profile with essential contact info, assigned team members, document history, open tasks, billing details, and communication logs. You can add notes, attach files, and even track engagement letters or IRS forms for each contact. You can also segment clients into categories or use tags to group them by service type, workflow, or filing deadlines. A centralized system means no more jumping between spreadsheets, email threads, or multiple tools. Your whole team stays aligned, and you gain full visibility into the health of each client relationship. Another key feature is the secure client portal with e-signature support. One of Canopy's standout features is its customizable and secure client portal. Clients can log in to upload tax documents, view pending requests, complete digital forms, and e-sign official documents all in one place. You can also white label the portal to match your firm's branding, giving clients a polished, professional impression. Canopy also supports secure messaging inside the portal, eliminating the risks and inefficiencies of email when handling sensitive tax or financial data. Clients enjoy a simple, intuitive interface to communicate and share files, while your firm benefits from faster turnaround times, reduced admin tasks, and better compliance with data security regulations. Another key feature is the workflow automation and task templates. Canopy helps automate repetitive work by allowing you to create standardized task templates. Whether you're onboarding a new client, preparing a 1040 return, or managing quarterly bookkeeping, you can create workflows that assign tasks, set deadlines, and notify team members automatically. This reduces human error, accelerates delivery times, and keeps everyone accountable. This is especially powerful for scaling firms that need to maintain consistency across a growing team. Another key feature is the time and billing management. With Canopy's built-in time tracking and billing features, you can track billable hours directly from tasks or client profiles. Time entries can be converted into invoices instantly. The system supports hourly billing, fixed fees, and retainers. This eliminates the need for separate billing software and helps your firm maintain better cash flow. You can track profitability by client, service, or staff member all within Canopy. Another key feature is their CRM and email integration. Canopy includes lightweight CRM tools that let you manage emails, call logs, and follow-ups in one place. You can sync with Gmail or Outlook, view email history in client profiles, and schedule reminders for future outreach. Campaign tools allow you to send bulk updates or onboarding instructions across your client base. Stronger, more consistent communication helps retain clients and win referrals. It also frees up time usually spent jumping between inboxes and CRMs. So why is Canopy a great choice? Canopy isn't just a digital filing cabinet. It's a complete operating system for modern accounting practices. Whether you're focused on tax prep, bookkeeping, consulting, or all three, Canopy helps bring everything together under one roof: people, tasks, documents, communications, and billing. Its clean design and intuitive navigation mean onboarding is quick for both staff and clients. In 2025, it continues to lead with improvements like AI-powered task suggestions, expanded third-party integrations, and a growing library of workflow templates for firms of all sizes. Canopy also scales with your firm. Whether you're managing a few dozen returns a year or thousands, its modular structure and pricing make it a smart investment that grows with your needs. So basically, if you're looking to simplify your client management, enhance collaboration, and modernize your entire accounting workflow, Canopy is an excellent choice. It saves time, boosts professionalism, and gives your firm the tools to scale without losing control over tasks or communication. In a fast-moving and highly regulated industry, Canopy helps you stay ahead of client demands while making your internal operations smoother, smarter, and more profitable. So get started with Canopy today and take the next step in transforming your firm into a modern, digital-first accounting powerhouse. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.